Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kelechi. If you're regular here, you should know that by now. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this particular design. Okay, this or Fanta orange drink design. Now it's just for the fun of it. It's not for adverts or anything. Okay, and for a while now I've not posted any tutorial on my YouTube channel because I've been busy with a lot of stuff, but now I have some time to do so. So you're going to be seeing more tutorials from me, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram at Kilavastin or on TikTok at Kilavastin, or you can see a lot of my designs on Facebook, Kelechi Okore. If you check the description of this video, definitely you're going to see a link that you can click. All right, without wasting much time, let's jump right into our tutorial. Now, the first thing I want to do is I want to set the background photos. Okay, so yep, recently used. This is my background photo. So these images, most of them, I think quite a lot of them were all gotten from Canva. Okay, now I adjusted the image, the background image. The first thing I did was I increased the blur to I think 43 or something. Yep, the blur was 43, and then I reduced the transparency to I think something like this. Yep. Why did I do this? So definitely you get to see the design clearly without the background interfering with the design. Okay. Now the design I used, I downloaded it from an external. Okay, I'm going to slow down now. The design I used, I downloaded it from an external website. Okay, and where is it? This is the design. This is the Fanta. Sorry, this is the Fanta. So here we have our Fanta all looking nice and colorful. Now what did I do next? Watch out. So then I used this image, this particular image, and I removed the background. Always remember, you cannot remove the background of an image if you are not using a pro account, if you don't have a pro account. Okay, but if you don't have a pro account, probably because you don't have the funds to do so, then you can always use remove.bg to remove the background. I always mention this every time I'm creating a tutorial that has to do with me removing the background of an image, so sure that must have stuck by now. So this is the orange. I'm going to use the lot. I'm just going to shift it here. Now we have our Fanta image. I'm going to split it into two. Okay, going to make sure. I think the PNG was not properly cropped out. That's why you might still see a bit of, might still see some of the edges. You will notice that it's not properly cropped out, but not to worry. So what I did was this is our Fanta or two. Now the image, the orange image, I think duplicated this one first and removed this one. Now I have to increase I have to zoom in so I can properly crop some parts out. Okay, I'm gonna go back to fit. This is the first one. Okay, duplicate it again because I'm going to have to remove this one. Okay, the second one. Yes. So this one now, it's going to come here. Move this one, then bring this one here, somewhere here. I think somewhere here. Now to just do this and bring it down a bit so there's a lot of space in between. Yep, So I think this is it, if I'm not mistaken. I'm just gonna confirm. Oh, okay, sorry. It's supposed to be the other way around. This one here and this one here, I believe. Sorry. Hmm. No. It's this. It's this way. But now we have one slice of an orange here and another slice here. Now the next thing I did to make it look a bit much more cooler than this, because here it's just there you can see that it's not properly, it did not blend well. So what I did was I went to one of my folder. Where are you, Caleb? And where are you? Then I use this shadow to bring it here. Then I edited the shadow because it's an image, I can edit it. Then the blur, I increased the blur to 24, if I'm not mistaken, 24. Just gonna increase this so you can get to see it properly. Increase it and take it back. Take it back. Okay, now the shadow is just after the slice of this orange, and then I reduce the transparency of this one to say something like, I think 58 or so. Okay, I think 30. Yep, I think 39 or 40 thereabouts. Then I duplicated the shadow again and brought it down here. Yep, just need to confirm something. Okay, sorry, I'm going back to confirm. I just needed to be sure that I got it right. So we have this one and this one. So we're almost done, but then we still have unfinished business here. Duplicated this again, crop this one out. Remember what I said about making sure that it's cropped perfectly. So this one, I just did this one here, take it to the back, yep, and then brought the shadow again here so this place doesn't really look empty. Take it to the back and then reduce the transparency again. Let's confirm if okay, it looks okay. Then I did the same thing again here, crop this part out, break this one, take it to the back, duplicated the shadow again and brought it here. Take it to the back. To the back, please. Go to the back. Okay, so now we have something like this. Okay, it's almost ready. Now the next thing I did was where is my photos? Where's my photos? Where are you? Okay, I used this one, remove the background of this particular image. Please, we don't have time. I need to rush this, not rush this per se, because I know you are all busy people and I like to keep it short and simple, but this particular tutorial was a little bit technical. Please, we are waiting for UBG removal, and this is it. Okay, so we remove the background for this one, and then the next thing I just had to turn this. Yep, yep, I had to turn this. Yeah, yeah, all the way to the back. Okay, where is this a particular one more thing, not just one more thing though. So where are you, young man? Where are you? Yes. So this is I use this particular image, and then I search for the frame I used. I used this frame, this particular frame. So I brought this orange splash inside, reduce it. So it looks as if there's a connection between this part and the other part. There's something I'm not getting here. Flip this vertical. Okay, now it makes sense. Now it makes perfect sense. Yeah, that was what I was not getting right. So I had to make this, place it here. So you can see it feels like there's a connection between the first half and the second half. I hope you're following me. So we're almost done, and then I added a text which is orange drink. So orange first. I think the size was 1544. Yep, I think that's it. And I used bo I used bora. I used boba. Boba is the font name. Why is it not giving me what I want? Boba. Why are you not giving me what I want? Okay, so I'm gonna leave it here. Boba. Apply the holo effect on boba and make sure the thickness is reduced to the last number. Change this to orange and take it all the way to the back. We have orange. And then duplicate this and drink. Yep, I just increase the letter spacing just a bit. Took this also to the back. Go to the back, come on. So we have orange drink. Orange drink. Fanta orange drink. Yep. And then I just grouped all these and tilted it this way. So I just hope I hope I got the tilting perfectly well. So yes, this is how I achieved this. Come close here a bit. And then the final thing I did was just to duplicate this, no, not the shadow, but the orange. Duplicated it, then brought this one here, brought one here, and think, yep, I adjusted the image. The blur was 23 or so. Duplicated it, came to this part, did almost the same thing. Then I added my name, and that was it. So this is how I achieved this design, the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do well to subscribe and follow me on all my social media platforms: Instagram, Facebook. I have a Twitter account too, so you can search for me up there. Now subscribe, and I'm going to be showing another tutorial very soon. Okay, so bye bye for now.